101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, Smart of your life. As usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, Smart Out Your Life, with one of English community in Makassar, namely BPEC, Benteng Panjua English Club. And of course, absolutely we have a special topic a week per week or week by week. And and as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friend, actually friends, but we will still waiting them, right? One by one. But anyway, before we are going to talking about our topic tonight, I wanna say hello to our friend tonight, this evening. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
How about you?
Oh, I'm excellent. But anyway, where is others actually?
I don't know. Maybe they are on their way.
Yeah. Okay. I see. Okay, coming. We have friends also, not only you, Mala. And okay, hello. How are you today? How are you this evening?
I'm fine.
Okay, you fine? Okay, can you? Okay. How are you, Mister?
I'm very, very inside today.
Can you open your mask, please, to make it
Okay.
clear your message when you're talking or speaking to us? Are you okay with the mask? Are you okay with the mask? Okay, can you introduce yourself to smart listeners,
Good
please?
evening,
Good evening.
the smart listener. I am Rifki.
Yeah.
I am the older one, BPEC.
You are saying it right.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back,
Okay.
Rifki. Welcome back in our discussion tonight. Okay, who is your name? Could you introduce yourself to smart listeners? Not only smart listeners, but smart viewers also, because we are front of screen, right? Live streaming. How are?
Good evening, guys. I'm Mala.
Hi, Mala.
Yeah, that's it.
Could you introduce before we are going to talk or continue our discussion about special topic? Could you introduce what is BPC itself to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Yeah, because I was part of BPEC. So yeah, it's a place, the best place for you to learn English, especially in informal ways.
Yeah.
Because in BPC, nobody force you to speak grammarly, but it's the special place. It hold in Rotterdam. For every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Sunday. Lovely Sunday.
Yeah.
How is the criteria or procedure when someone wants to join in BPEC?
I think nothing. Just come and just prepare yourself to build your self-esteem.
Wow, it's easiest.
Yeah.
Because nothing to prepare, just coming, just sit down and together with the BPCN, right?
Yeah, and we don't care who you are. You are collegian, you are still students, you are a worker, you can come.
And the most
It's
important,
a law.
is free of charge.
Yeah, it's free of charge.
Okay, BPEC. Wow,
bright and breezy.
Come on, giving applause first for us. Okay, are you comfortable with your mask? Could you open your mask, please?
No.
You comfort with your mask.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. And okay, I wanna open our discussion tonight. But before we are going to talk about the special topic, I want to give an opening teasing about this topic. In 4.0, in 4.0 and so on, and 5.0, 6. And so on, one of skill that must we mastering is a public speaking. This is a very important to make a forward our life in every individual, every country, in all of the world, and in all of aspect we are very neat this, because this is very essential to making forward our life, both individual and and social. You know, that's why in all of the world, in each country, each people, each majority society, always how they learn for to speaking in public. That's why our topic tonight is the importance of public speaking. Okay, guys. Well, directly, I want to ask you,
What is that?
how needs we learn about this term public speaking in your mind?
Me first.
Yes,
Okay, I'm the
Mr.
first.
Rifki.
Okay, thank you for the chance. Okay, how need the
How we
public
need-
speaking
Yeah.
in public? That's right. This is really neat because what that will be help you for your conversation
Yeah.
in the daily and the social. And after that, is will be make by your characteristic to open your word and show yourself.
You means that someone will be easy to face someone when each other interact to make a business, to
Yeah.
make a something like,
That is the the public speaking, how to communicate with me is really interesting to understand. That's right. That is why we need public speaking and how this is the importance for us.
so this is a very actually it's how to say very essential, right, in society as an individual to interact with others, right?
Yes, right. 100%.
Okay, thank you. Nice. What about you, Miss Mala? How needs we to learn to mastering public speaking in this era?
You mean how important is?
Yes.
It's very important, not only for public speaker, but we need it when we talk to others. Sometimes when we learn this, we need to how I say to know. We need to know what our friends feeling. I mean, how to keep their feelings to make them not take personal when we are talking something like maybe somebody feel comfort when they are talking about religion.
Yeah.
But not all of the people they can talk about religion, because sometimes some of my friends they hide where they come from, what is their religion, and about their family. So we need not only for speakers, public speakers.
Wow, nice explanation. And now we have a new friends also coming, please, and please join with us coming. Good evening, Mr. Brian. Where have you been? Where have you been? Good evening. Could you give the microphone? Where have you been? How are you this evening?
I'm fine as usual.
Okay. As usual.
Yeah,
It's great.
yeah,
Right?
really great.
Okay. Did you know our topic tonight? What we talking about?
Yeah, we are talking about the importance of public speaking.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you. Let me ask you about our topic tonight. How needs we about this skill public speaking?
Okay. We really needs how to say public speaking.
Yeah.
Because yeah, that's to improve our speaking skill. And we have ability to speak in front of people.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
very useful to how to say to standing in front of
Yeah, standing in front of people.
Not only people, but peoples. I mean
Peoples.
public, right?
Yes.
So, on your mind, what is on your mind when you hear about public speaking? How looks like actually PS or public speaking on your mind?
Yeah, in my opinion, public speaking is speak in front of people, and we speak about the information about the topic that the how to say
About the topic
about
or
the topic,
special
about
topic.
about the special topic, like our topic today is public speaking, so I tell the information about the public speaking.
Okay, that's the scope,
Yes.
right? Okay, thank you, Brian. I move to you again, Miss Mala. What is on your mind when you hear about public speaking? How looks like actually? How looks like?
How looks like the most important for
Should
me
we
is
need standing in front of public? That namely public speaking.
not as long that
Mhm.
public speaking. Yeah, actually, when we when we talk about public, it must be it must be we talk to other people, but not in a formal way only.
Yeah.
But in informal, as I know. But for me, the most important is your body language. Yeah, your body language, because without body language, you will be like awkward in front of all of the people.
Yeah,
and
right,
they will
right.
love you
I agree, I
like
agree.
when you hold the paper. They will know. Oh, he's nervous.
Like
she's nervous.
like misbehavior.
Yeah.
Right.
It was me before.
Okay.
When I touch paper.
Us before. That all you.
Yeah.
Us, right?
But I don't know. I learned by myself. When we don't hold something like a small things, because the people will know that you are nervous. That's the most important for me. The first lesson I got.
Okay, Malahayati learn by yourself, by myself. You means by Salanidion all by myself.
But I learned from TikTok also.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
TikTok.
nice. It's interesting. What about you? Okay, are you still want to continue your statement?
Nothing.
You keep
Nah,
keep it.
keep it.
Okay. What about you? Actually, what's look like a public speaking on your mind? But before we continue our talking or discussion, actually, we will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia.